Hi everyone, Zach from Out There Vans in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today behind me I have a few new products coming out of our shop specifically for the Ram Promaster that I want to give you a quick tutorial of how to install and show you what they look like. Let's get right into it. So starting out, I've got 4 panels right here, 2 pairs of panels. These panels are trim panels that can be installed on the rear corners of your Promaster. So I'm going to use my fingers here with the screen. These panels are for replacing these black panels on either side, as well as this open gap up above them. This is a 2024 Ram Promaster. One thing I've noticed over the years, we're starting to get vans delivered missing different panels, including these upper panels. A lot of these lower gaps used to have little plastic covers. They no longer do. This is kind of the shrinkflation of a van. You still are getting your van, but you're missing a lot of the little trim pieces now that are a little bit more on the tricky side for the consumer to cover up or cut a replacement panel for. Additionally, these lower panels, these big black plastic pieces, a couple things about those. So for one, those areas, when you do your conversion, you want to make sure that these are still accessible, because on the exterior of your van, that is the exact location that your rear brake light and turn signal is accessed from. So in order to replace a taillight in one of these vans, you actually have to remove this panel here. There's a couple bolts from the inside that remove, and then you can physically slide that taillight out to replace the bulbs within. So last thing you want to do is go in and upholster over this entire panel here and no longer have access granted to that. Additionally, you always want to make sure you can access all the different screws on here for the purpose of servicing that, as we mentioned. So we now have panels available to, for one, cover up this upper panel, this kind of oblong shape here, as well as a panel that is cut and ready to be replaced to this black plastic one if you wish. A lot of people, in a lot of our builds even, we just choose to retain this black plastic piece because you know what? It works really well. Some people though, they come to our shop and they say, how do I get rid of that? That's why we're now offering a panel for it. So no worries if you want to leave your black panel. Just want you to know we do have an option for you if you're looking for it. Our replacement panels are designed to just retain these 7 screw points. So it's as simple as unscrewing these screws, removing this black plastic panel, and screwing the new one back on. With these upper 2 panels, these originally would have been held in with 2 little black plastic automotive snaps that would go into this position here. If you have some on hand or you go to AutoZone, you want to get some, feel free to use those. However, otherwise, we are supplying these with a total of 4 riv nuts, 2 for each side, 2 bolts, and 2 screws. The installation of this is very similar to all of our other kits. You will require a riv nut setting tool, whether it's one of these drill bit models or a hand tool. But ultimately, you'll need to widen those holes to adapt to be able to fit the size of riv nut that needs to slide in there. Set it, and then you can bolt those up into place. Great thing about these panels, they are a premium grade Baltic birch panel, already sanded. We always recommend giving one last finish sand before you might do some sort of customization yourself, but they're ready to take paint, take stain. You can upholster these panels if you wish, so they are still easy to remove if you need to. But they're ready to match whatever aesthetic you plan on running with within your van build. Now these panels, we CNC cut them in-house. They are produced in our shop next door to this bay here where we make all of our mess. Now a couple last things to note. Over here on the passenger side, some vans are optioned with a 12-volt socket down in this lower section of the factory panel. When you're removing that panel, there's a wiring harness on the back that simply slides out. If you choose to reinstall that, just take a simple hole saw that correlates with the factory hole that was in the plastic panel. You can pop that out and you can just slide that factory 12-volt outlet back into place. If you do not wish to install it, you can just leave the wiring pigtail tucked back behind. Additionally, the big reason why we are offering these panels and why we get a lot of requests for these is they are very odd shaped. There's nothing square or straight in terms of the plane on these. With these panels, they are not identical for the passenger and driver side. So be sure to hold them up and align them to make sure you're installing the right panel beforehand. There's only one bolt hole that is different on the passenger versus driver side. Find your backup panel, hold it up to the location you choose to use it, and you'll really quickly be able to see if everything aligns for you. Again, these are available on shopouttheirvans.com, link down in the description below. We carry a large variety of other accessories for Ram Promasters, Mercedes Sprinters, Ford Transit vans. These are going to retail currently as of 2024 for $125 for the pack of 4, and that is shipped to your door. And if you have any questions, feel free to write them down in the comment section down below as well. We hope to see you in the next video. Be sure to hit like if you enjoyed this video and hit that subscribe button so we will see you in the next video. We appreciate you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.